5.5. Next, diri class, our angle started at west, going north. So therefore, it is correct. This is also cos and sine. How about here? The third one is 16 kilometers, 15 west of south. So therefore, west of south, unsa na gamiton gali? Mogamit na taog sine cos. Now let's do our next discussion. Here it says here to A again, ang A class is lang man. So therefore, 25 kilometers is d of y 0, automatic. Next, d of 2. D2, it says here class, cos 80 negative dy. Ngano galing negative ni class? It's because going west. So automatic, negative na imong d2x. Now, 41 kilometers gikan sa imong magnitude or hypotenuse. Ang hypotenuse is 41 kilometers. So let's do it shifting. Let's do it cross multiply. 41 kilometer, unahon si magnitude ay si angle. 41 kilometers times 60, the answer is 7.12. Pero again, going west man siya, so you have to be smart than your calculator. Then the answer is negative 7.12. Naa na siya negative. Okay? Next, sine or atong Vy of the number 2. Our V of y is same lang, pero nakalahian is sine ang gamiton. So sine 80, same ragyapon siya kuan class, same ragyapon siya og given. We have here 80 and 80. So therefore, mag-cross multiply lang gyapon ta. Now, nganong positive ang y? Nganong naka-positive man ni? It's because we are going north. Okay? North man siya, so meaning positive d2y. So 41, cross multiply 41 kilometers times sine 80. The answer is 40.40. Okay? Gets po ba? Next, number 3. Si number 3 kay nasa quadrant 3. So, quadrant 3, therefore, ang nakabutang pagid sa angle class, if you can see this, kani siya, ang atong angle, nag-start siya sa south going west. So, therefore, bali na ang ato ang quadrants. Here, let's go our answer here. D of y, so sine 15, 16. So, sine 15, ngano galing sine? Kaya again, it starts at y-axis. So, sine 15, nganong 15? Kay 15 man ang given. 15. Tapos, 16 kilometers, kay 16 ang kilometers ang given. How about nganong negative dx3? Kay west man ta class. West, therefore, negative d3x. Cross multiply gihapon, same process. 16 kilometers times sine 15, the answer is 4.14. Pero again, kay west and south ta, west ta, negative imong ibutang. Dapat mas bright ka, dapat na negative diha. Next, for your y, we are also facing south. So pag south, automatic negative ang y. So therefore, negative d3y. So you can see na ako'y negative diha. It's here, negative. So, same process, cross multiply lang po. 16 times cos 15, the answer is 15.45. Again, automatic, negative. Imong answer, it's because base sa yung quadrant facing south siya. And that's the final answer. Please do the summation of x and summation of y on